Hi, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back, welcome back. Today's date is 7th of April 2025. So we are going to go through an audio and maybe a video, but I'm not going to flip the camera because I want to record it direct. All right. So please, before we go further, I would like you to listen to this. Then after we start properly, just pay attention. Okay. I appreciate the Chief Justice of Biafra Federation. I may give a more make it not believe me anybody. But that's his honorable Mmaduabu. Senior Advocate of Nigeria. How when you Senior Advocate of Nigeria. How when you Okay, just pay attention for the beginning. Hear this from the beginning. I appreciate the Chief Justice of Biafra. I appreciate the Chief Justice of Biafra. Who is that Chief Justice? Mmaduabu, who they called just to form a committee for conflict resolution. That is, if there's any problem between Biafran to another Biafra or any conflict at all, people who will stand as a neutral ground to look into any issue that may come up to dialogue and solve the problem. They have, used them to commit, crime. You may not believe it, but as time goes on, it may sink very, very well. But the only thing I want to understand is that a lot is going on, a lot of cook-up story, a lot of lies are flying from every corner, from one group of people, just one group. And you can hear them, you can listen to what they said, you can also have time to digest it properly. Hear this. But before then, let me encourage you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. This is our first reaction video today. More may come up, more may join after this, but for now, let us focus on this one. Hear what Sanabrawa said here. You don't need to wait for Biafrans to call you. This is one thing you need to understand. If you see Mama Biafra does walk off, picking the phone to call you, but not you calling her. That is what Mama Biafra does. And when you give her that kind of assignment, she can disturb you till you will say, who connect Mama Biafra and say, make it a call me. So please, reps and admins, do not wait that Biafrans will call you and say, I want to make donation. There are some people that have this money, but they want you to come and pacify them before they come and do it. They want to feel like a king, yes, and a queen. So, please, I'm encouraging you all, make this as a point of duty, pick up your phone, look at all of them that you know, you have to walk around and you have to call. Take time and call them. Don't wait for them that they will call you and come around or no. That is how we are. I just want to make this very clear. So, this is Nkere, the same group that told you that it is raining. Like Eunice said, it has rained here. A grammar issue. It has rained there. It's okay. It's not as if it's a problem, but when you say that kind of thing, is it what you're supposed to say? I'm not going to say anything about it. But the only thing you understand is that they told you that their friends are everywhere donating money for them, isn't it? That is what they want you to understand. That's what they meant. They just said that for you to feel somehow that something is going on from that camp. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. There is a screenshot on internet. I think I need to post two of them. Even though I don't know many of them, but I was able to pick one or two people who happen to be a member of Nkere Media, working day and night on X, posting and cut and join informations just to propagate their lies and to deceive people. I was able to capture them in the group that they claim that they are Biafrans, waiting, they are just in queue, waiting for them to donate money. Chiamaka Jere is one of them, one of those who raised hands. Just imagine that the USB fundraising is on, and Biafrans are supposed to raise their hands to donate or to make suggestions. You know that kind of, you know how they do, how they organize their own. Then you see you go 247 raising his hands up. And you then not only do go 247, you see somebody like Ada Simon, or you see somebody like Chuk Survivor, you see somebody like Obi-Wan, they raise their hands up. Off the camera, raise their hands up and they tell their people, oh, okay, 1, 2, 3, go, take a screenshot, boom, post it. Tell them, so Biafrans will know that we have a lot of people here supporting their ATM. I don't want to feel that you are not following what we are saying, because you only have few things to do. One, avoid everything and pay attention to what they're doing. Just 5 minutes. Pick up any video. Pay attention 5 minutes. Then you see lies, hidden lies in what they are telling you or what they're doing. The question is that what you actually want? Is it actually what you want? Because for them to go to that extent of picking people, telling themselves, raise hands, let us do screenshot and say that it is raining here. I didn't watch the live program. I actually saw that screenshot. I tried to zoom it. Behold, I saw the one called Nkere was there, one of the people that raised hands. BMO, one other man that I normally call Papa. Our Papa is here. If you know, if you followed me before the arrest of PM, that man will not be some. In fact, what I just said now will not be a strange thing to you, because he always here on this platform. Even Nkere was here in this platform, and Helen Peters was one of the people that I gave spanner here on this platform. Macanina said, "Oh, kind report. We don't know when we have no. We all these people. We don't know where you come from. We don't know. In just pay people to broadcast and to talk. Very very funny people. As if you think that everybody is you. No, we have been here. We have been here reporting and exposing evil, making sure that we are setting the record straight. From the time of DSO, this is not just I'm not capping. Even though I face a lot of challenges here, if not that YT wrestled me, they fought me like never before on this channel when I was starting. A lot of issues, what happened. It's not something I will start telling you here. I don't need to start to tell you all those things here, because I don't want it to be too long. But I deleted a lot of video here. Had it been that I did not face that kind of challenges, even the brokers of Mmaduabu, all of them were here before. Not all, but many of them. Of course, PM as well. But YT mandated me to delete all those videos. Then I started again. I started afresh, start posting again. So don't forget about it. But what I'm trying to tell you is that most of these people on earth today, bearing a powerful media name, powerful media team, they were here on this platform holding spanner here. Holding spanner is not that. I'm not saying that if you're holding spanner, that you don't want it or anything. No, that's not what I mean. What I'm trying to tell you is that they used to listen to this platform, meaning that they understand that we say the truth here until things begin to change the way it has changed. I know the only person that not started with me, but have been here for some time and still with me here. Two people. I mean, people that hold spanner here. Happy man, our mommy, and our very good brother Armstrong. This is a story for another day anyway. I just want to understand that when I said that I zoomed the screenshot, I was able to dictate few people. I am not forming it. I'm not telling you what I'm not aware of. I know them, not know them in person, but I used to know their handle. So listen after telling us that the trend the underside. So now is not telling you that don't wait for people to call you that I want to donate money. Be the one to push them, talk to them, evangelize, tell them that come and donate. Okay, I thought it is already raining in your camp. Or it's no longer raining, and so somehow it's dry, isn't it? You're looking for water supply to come and to come and water the floor for you. You can see the truth before you, unless you choose not to see it. This this person called you hear him talking about Mama Biafra, right? Who do you think that he's talking about? I don't know. Listen to that again.
All reps and admins, you don't need to wait for Biafrans to call you.
Okay.
What? This is one thing you need to understand.
You see, it is this man. Ocho Yaron. Ocho Yaron again.
You see Mama Biafra. Mama Biafra does the work of picking the phone to call you, but not you calling her. That is what Mama Biafra does.
Okay.
And when you give her that kind of assignment, she can disturb you till you will say, who connect Mama Biafra and say, make it a call me. So please, reps and admins.
Did you hear that? That I don't know who would devote her time persuading people to come and donate to the extent that they will be like, who connect this woman to call me? Like you feel disturbed. She don't care, she'll keep on doing that. Okay. And he's saying that, see, as if it's a good thing to do. That Mama Biafra, and he's encouraging other people to do the same. So you are not seeing sign of desperation from what that statement is, isn't it? Are you seeing the sign of desperation? PM did not call anybody like that. Everything have gone beyond this stage. They are the one that decided to drag it to this stage, right? Even when PM was starting, PM don't call people, place call on people to come and. You don't do that. He will tell you the reality. You follow the truth. But everything that people have, anything in this life that you are being forced is not genuine. But you see, the real thing and genuine things don't push you. They will. You don't need to stress yourself to beg people to be worried. But you see all this jingle, campaign, like if you go to, that's the reason why Okrekaselas always use bell, jingle, like calling people to come and buy. Okay, shoe here, you wear this cloth now. This cloth is that is a canoe. But new cloth or new fashion design, anything at all, they don't do that. Have you seen where Adidas is pushing people to come and buy, and investing a lot of campaign or time to deceive people to buy their product? So many, like iPhone, they don't do that. But you see all these abacratic gum items, they will put all the energy, advertising and shouting. Well, those who can connect the dots will connect and understand what I'm saying. But please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay? Not only that, hear this.
Do not wait that Biafrans will call you and
don't wait.
Make donation.
Don't wait.
There are some people that have this money, but they want you to come and pacify them before they come and do it. They want to feel like a king, yes, and a queen.
That some Biafrans want to feel like a queen and a king, okay, before they can, because they want to feel important. So if that is what they want, give it to them, and as long as the money will fall from their pocket, that is a sign of desperation. I'm not telling you don't donate money to anybody. I keep on saying that. I don't want to hear, you use your platform to discourage people. No, it is even you that they are using your platform to discourage others. I don't do that here. I keep on saying that if you want to donate money to Animal Kingdom, go on and do that. If you want to feed Python, why not? It's your money, not my money. Where I have issue with it is if you begin to expect me to put my own money there. My own thing is to let you know that this we are doing is not helping any issue. Think twice before you do. If you choose to do, of course, I don't have any right to stop you, isn't it? Listen.
So, please, I'm encouraging you all, make this as a point of duty. Pick up your phone, look at all of them that you know. You have to walk around and you have to call. Take time and call them. Don't wait for them that they will call you and call.
Call them and tell them that he's a lie. Nkere did not do anything bad. Everything the APM is saying is true. Call them and begin to deceive them. Call them and do everything you can do. Tell them that PM is on their side. Okay. Logically, PM, you spoke with the PM last week. Last week, according to them, Saturday. They arrived there on Friday, 28. On 29, they had meeting with PM, according to what they told us. I may even bring that video, maybe after this video. I may try my best to bring where Mmaduabu decided to, share their story about their trip to Finland. Then, after that, PM told them something, and that is so good that they couldn't, you know how they normally rush on social media to celebrate with their friend or to deceive their friend with the little information they have. Because I've seen why Socha saying, oh, the COS, the video I posted it yesterday. The COS claimed that they remember that band, the lady that he went there with, they went there to visit PM, but they came back disgraced. She had issue with that. But if truly you think that that's what CSC said is not true, why is it that they refuse to come out to tell Biafran, like they normally rush out to say something that's fair for them? They don't hold it back. But they were able to hold this one back for how many days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, against another father. What makes you think that if PM gave them that home they claim they have now, people that we know, what they would have done is to play that thing. They do propaganda the whole week to heed the fund, to wait for the fundraising and all that. But they realize that the debunk and disposition will not be friendly, will not be kind to them. They just hide it. So, judging by what I've known about them, the way they're so eager to bring any information, to go at any length to deceive people, why do you not think that they have PM support as they claimed, verified, and well documented according to them, and they refuse to utilize that to deceive people? People who manage to tell you that account that PM created or supervised, that account is now created by CUS and is a Muslim account. They have done many things that if you begin to talk about it, this video will be too long. But I just want, many of you know that, but maybe you are not, you can't remember now. I'm trying to refresh your memory on that.
Come around or no. That is how we are. Just want to make this very clear. So
now, who is this Mmaduabu? I don't know him in person, I don't know his profile. But the little that we have seen on social media, that he is the leader of conflict resolution committee, that PM, selected, or Biafran selected them to be that form of that committee. And we are told that that committee has already dissolved because they have done the job, the reason why they formed them in the first place, and Biafrans have moved ahead without having anything like that. Committee lasts for some, last a while. Like they're not permanent. That's why if you want to do wedding, if you want to get married or if you're planning for the wedding, you formed committee of friends. Immediately after that wedding, committee dissolved. If you want to do maybe child dedication, you may decide to form committee that will facilitate that. Immediately after the child dedication, it will be dissolved. If you want to, a kind of, maybe in your village, you want to share land. Okay, maybe where they have a land dispute, the community may form a committee that will go into the problem, that will look into the problem and come out with every details about the problem for a better way to solve them, or for a better conclusion. Immediately after that problem has been solved, the committee dissolved. They form committee of conflict resolution committee based on problem they were having then, and they later officially dissolved it. Even if they did not dissolve it, it can never be a job of conflict resolution committee. Never in this life. Committee like that, conflict resolution committee, they push them or transform them overnight to become a electoral body of Biafra. Even though Biafra have never, have any leader that emerged from that kind of process. It has always been, a leader by performance, leaders by, by what you have done, how you have proved yourself. Just like imagine me now, without anything proven to you, without anything, I begin to carry myself as your leader and begin to tell you that that executive body, cabinet members have actually selected Kai to be the leader. Will you agree? Will you agree to that? Will you agree? Will you accept it? Honestly, will you accept it? The answer is no. Why? Not because you hate me, but because I have not proven anything. I have not even been in the front line. So if I begin to that means that's act of criminality. But people want to just we support it because as long as it is not a woman, out of desperation, like I told you, they are always so desperate and ready to do and undo. How many of you remember this lady called N9ja? N9ja is the lady who told PM that PM is biased. I don't know how to. Now, the thumbnails of the video, of this particular video, I will put a woman. I will put that woman, I will zoom her picture, her picture will be more bigger. That is the lady called N9ja. So, whenever you see this video, you can go back and watch it again. You can go back and see the thumbnail of this particular video. You will see that woman and hear what she said. Okay, I have already played the audio. You listen to the part where they're talking about where somebody was saying senior advocate of Nigeria, senior advocate of Nigeria. Now here is the real conversation because that one was cut. They cut that part and merged it with some other videos. So let us just play it the way it is. This video is almost a few seconds, but listen. For us.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Start from the beginning.
For us. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
My honorable Obi, I don't know how to address you, but you are a Pepe that Pepe the other side.
She's so busy and so eager to see Pepe other side. Who are this other side? Biafrans. You see me here. I don't wish or want to see Pepe in anybody. In as much as I disagree with what you believe on, and you disagree with what I believe, does not mean that I will start calling for your head. It doesn't make any sense. I'm not you. I'm not a lot of people like you people. What I mean by you, but I'm not talking about you that is watching me. I'm talking about these people, Fallback group. Mature people, elderly people. This life, now listen.
Yeah. And I know where the Pepe them. Not the I Pepe is too small, but it fit use what. The other side, I know go talk them. You are doing this. I want to ask you a few questions.
But I would then if you say you be too busy, don't weigh this pepper there. I for go find the pepper so one day sleep. You don't want to talk.
If you tell them, they will go and find solution to it. Nobody pepper them. They'll be looking for where it comes from. They will see nothing. My senior advocate of Nigeria, how when you see
Did you get the point now? Celebrating or very eager to see her people, her brothers, her supposed brothers or sisters going through pain. Now maybe paper and the paper and a book on the paper. As she was saying that, she began to use the same that her tongue to pronounce what Biafrans actually believe that the man Mmaduabu at his age is. At his age, elderly man, you are being called to lead a committee formed to solve problems. And you allow yourself for somebody who's supposed to be your son, okay, Nkere, to use you. It's not as if you're not educated. You know the job of conflict committee. You know what that means. You understand it, and you also know what you need to do to form a electoral body that can elect or supervise or organize any election at all. But you are the one championing that, and you are the same you. You said that you went to CPM. I'm not here to tell you that they did not go there because I don't have any proof to debunk that or to approve that. Let's go them by their word that they went to CPM. And you and the Madam, the one they called Obi, I don't know her. Two of you went to CPM according to you people. And all PM could say is that he's sending his love, his greeting to Biafrans. That he wants Biafrans to do everything to get him out from here. That Biafrans should fall back and support the brigade. So, one thing, nobody will be in detention, nobody will be there and will not be like, get me out of here. Nobody. And it's not something that anybody should be proud of. PM is not really supposed to be where he is because of this kind of people, Igbo people. We don't deserve that. After what Mazagan is going through another person, we don't deserve it. But that is straight from them. Then the same PM that we all know that don't tolerate nonsense, don't allow, he don't accept deception and barbarism. People who feel that they have arrived, they have contact to maneuver everything. PM despises that. He despises it very, very well. That's why when some people were looking for him, waiting for him to betray Biafrans, he disappointed everybody. Now, this man, why this thing that the N9ja called him actually befit him, like senior advocate of Nigeria? Look at what INEC did, or what INEC have been doing, or what they are known for in Nigeria. I get the point. Is the judiciary system of Nigeria is good? Because the title the woman gave you now, gave him Mmaduabu is senior advocate of Nigeria. You understand? People with title that they cannot even back up. Senior advocate of, is this man, he's nothing at all to compare what they are trying to make you believe on about him. Everything the woman said here about senior advocate of Nigeria is true. The same Mmaduabu, from finance minister to deputy prime minister. That's what INEC and the senior advocate can do in Nigeria. Look at who of them from 4th position to 1st. Who did it? Of course, judiciary system, the lawyers and judges. That's the same thing. And the Anabogaya senior advocate of Nigeria now say, hey. So, my people, I don't want to let me listen to that again before we end it. Just pay attention.
for us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Agent.
I don't know how to address you.
Okay.
But you are the pepe that pepe the other side.
Who is the other side? The other side.
And I know where the pepe them. Not be eye you. Eye pepe is too small. But you fit use what the other side, I know go talk am. You are doing this. I want to ask you a few questions.
This he love this kind of thing. Well, pepe Ndibo. The same man who told us that Ndibo, Igbo people, why you not own the two they get leg? He is now working hard to free the Igbo people. And this guy knows what he's doing. And Sima was doing the same thing. What happened afterward? He began to attack Igbo people. So now I have never condemned Sima or even call him to order. His brother. And Sima is calling everybody the name. Have you ever seen Sima insulting Sonaparawa? No. But the man, we see if Sima happened to be an Igbo, his number one enemy will be Sonaparawa. Why? Because you are against what I want. But they don't insult each other because they are working for the same adage. I leave it there.
Talk where this Pepe there. I forgot find the Pepe so what they sleep. You know what?
If from them man.
If you tell them, they will go and find solution to it.
Okay.
When all you prepare them, they'll be looking for where it come from. They will see nothing. My senior advocate of Nigeria.
Charles Abasa.
When you see
my senior advocate of Nigeria. The same woman, N9ja, that woman that told PM, you are biased. In one of the leaked of their meeting, where she was very, very angry, fuming against US. Then the question again I wanted to ask yourself is this: why is it that everybody have 4 PM in the past, directly or indirectly, are Nkere? All of them. What I mean by all of them, I'm talking about those that we know that have issue or have said something unprintable things against PM. Then they are now, you can see them in Nkere camp. Another thing is, why is it that people who don't respect PM, all of them are in Nkere? This is the same people that want us to believe that. Then for this woman to say to PM one-on-one that PM is biased, simply means that she don't like PM. The other one that told PM that the Biafra Gelisiki, one of them. The one that told PM that 2 captains cannot be in the ship, Units B, Units BP, PB, Units PB, that 2 captains, when PM just made a post that on so date there will be a state of the nation from PM Samuel Ekpa. She went there on that post and commented and said, "You 2 captains cannot be in a one ship," meaning that PM is chewing more than he can swallow. That PM is trying to overthrow Master Mordecai. The same group is now telling that our leader, PM, my PM. Oh, these guys are, if PM come out and decide to ignore them, for example, then you see their true color, then you see how they will fight PM, they will fight dirty. I will leave it there. Please, my phone, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think about what we discussed so far. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. See you again. Bye bye for now.